Cow.
Cow.
The cow gives us milk.
The cow gives us milk.
Bull.
Bull.
The bull is very strong.
The bull is very strong.
Horse.
Horse.
She rode the horse across the field.
She rode the horse across the field.
Donkey.
Donkey.
The donkey carried heavy bags.
The donkey carried heavy bags.
Pig.
Pig.
The pig rolled in the mud.
The pig rolled in the mud.
Sheep.
Sheep.
The sheep grazed on the hill.
The sheep grazed on the hill.
Goat.
Goat.
The goat chewed on the grass.
The goat chewed on the grass.
Hen.
Hen.
The hen pecked at the ground for food.
The hen pecked at the ground for food.
Rooster.
Rooster.
The rooster crowed loudly at sunrise.
The rooster crowed loudly at sunrise.
Yak.
Yak.
The yak provides warm wool.
The yak provides warm wool.
Duck.
Duck.
The duck swam across the pond.
The duck swam across the pond.
Goose.
Goose.
The goose honked near the pond.
The goose honked near the pond.
Turkey.
Turkey.
The turkey spread its tail feathers.
The turkey spread its tail feathers.
Guinea fowl.
Guinea fowl.
The guinea fowl made a strange sound.
The guinea fowl made a strange sound.
Peacock.
Peacock.
The peacock showed its colorful tail.
The peacock showed its colorful tail.
Rabbit.
Rabbit.
The rabbit hopped in the field.
The rabbit hopped in the field.
Pony.
Pony.
The pony trotted along the farm path.
The pony trotted along the farm path.
Ostrich.
Ostrich.
The ostrich flapped its wings and ran.
The ostrich flapped its wings and ran.
Dog.
Dog.
The sheepdog protected the flock.
The sheepdog protected the flock.
Cat.
Cat.
The farm cat chased a mouse.
The farm cat chased a mouse.